Hey guys, subscribe to my channel and also hit that little bell icon for all my latest videos. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Sapna. Today I'm going to be doing this makeup tutorial on a stunning Indian bridal makeup look. It's a very trendy makeup look. A lot of brides are actually going for this kind of a nude lip and a glamorous eye makeup look. So I'm going to start off with the 7 Heaven concealer primer combination. It's a local brand, but this concealer acts so well to prime the eyes and prepare a base for your eye makeup. So just applying it and then setting up with a brush, in fact a flat concealer brush. After that I am going to use my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and going to start off with the shade Amber, which is going to go onto the crease of my pretty bride. So I'm just going to use a blending brush which is from Proarte. Proarte has some amazing brushes guys, very affordable and very effective. After this I'm going to take the shade Saffron, also from the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. All eyeshadows are from this palette, and then going to just intensify the crease, making sure that I blend everything to perfection. So blend, deposit the color, blend, deposit the color. You can build the intensity. So after this I'm going to use the shade Oud and taking a smaller blending brush. This one is from PAC. I'm going to intensify the crease or deepen the crease a little more and making sure that everything looks well blended. So this is just going to give us a nice transition of color. Then taking the MAC 219, I'm going to blend, or rather clean the edges once again. Now going back with the same concealer from 7 Heaven and a precision brush, I'm going to cut the crease. This is my favorite thing to do for eye makeup. So when you cut the crease, it not just cleans up the entire eye makeup look, but also gives a very pretty very pretty and very dramatic effect to the eye makeup. So the crease is cut and this is how it is going to look like. Such a clean base you get for your eyeshadows, and your eyeshadows are also going to pop really well. So going with this color called Nefertiti, also from the Desert Dusk palette, I'm going to apply this shade with a flat shader brush on the inner corner, and then taking Turkish Delight from the same palette, that is going to go next to the Nefertiti shadow, and just applying it with another flat shader brush, making sure that I blend the colors. It should not seem to be like harsh edges. Blend the colors well. They should seem to be, appearing from the other color without looking harsh. And then going back with Out, I'm going to apply it on the outermost corner. Now it's a little difficult to work with this particular eyeshadow, so just make sure that you press this eyeshadow on the lid. Now taking a matte black eyeshadow, I think this is from the Body Shop quad palette, and a small blending brush, I'm just going to apply this shade on the outermost corner for more dimension or drama to the eyes. And then going back with the same matte eyeshadows from the Huda Beauty palette, which I applied on the lid, in fact on the crease, I am going to apply it on the lower lash line. Now guys, I did the eyeliner off camera, so I used Maybelline gel eyeliner, and then I used this pretty champagne gold glitter eyeliner. It is also from a local brand, I think 7 Heavens only, I don't really remember, I'm so sorry, but I applied this glitter eyeliner along the cut crease and also as a double eyeliner with the black one. So this just is the right amount of glitter on the eyes, but adds so much of drama to the eye makeup look. Now going with my Makeup Studio orange corrector, I'm going to correct the dark circles and a little bit around the mouth. Basically wherever you think you need correction or there are dark spots, apply the orange corrector. And then for the base, because it's a bridal makeup and I need a good coverage for my bride, I'm using the Makeup Studio base. This one is in the shade Yellow, and this is a very full coverage, full on, full stay base, which is really good for bridal makeup, really good for stage makeup. So using my PAC beauty blender, I'm going to blend this well into the skin. You have to take out a good amount of time and some patience to blend this product. Then taking the MAC Studio Fix concealer in NC25, I'm going to apply the concealer under the eyes to highlight and brighten up the eye area. Also applying it along the bridge of the nose, around the mouth, and a little bit on the forehead, the normal highlight areas which I always highlight. And taking the flat concealer brush, I'm going to immediately set this this highlighter because it otherwise dries up and starts creasing. Once again, blending everything with the foundation pretty well. Now today I'm going to bake the face of my bride, for which I'm using the Makeup Revolution loose powder in the color banana, which is pretty much like the Ben Nye banana powder. It is as good as that. So I'm going to apply it all over the highlight areas and applying a little excess so that I bake the face. Baking will enable the makeup to stay for the whole day. Now taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, I'm using this dark shade for contouring. And I'm using a fan brush today because that gives a very precise contour lines. Also contouring the nose using the same brush. I have absolutely started loving using fan brushes for contouring. Now I'm dusting off the bake after around, let's say, 5 to 7 minutes. Then for the blush, I'm using the Sivanna blush palette, which is called the Sugar Peach Box, and taking this very pretty peachy shade because we are going to do peachy lips today. I am matching my bride's blush with the lip color, applying it all over the apples of her cheeks. And my favorite part, highlighter. I'm using the Becca highlighter in the shade Moonstone. Right now I'm just applying it on all the highlight parts, and then I'm going to properly blend this highlighter. Love the highlighter, love its impact. You guys can see the bride has started glowing and she's so happy. So applying the highlighter on the high points of the cheeks and the normal areas, and now using the Smashbox primer water, I'm just going to apply it all over the face to set the makeup, and using the same damp beauty sponge, very gently pressing everything into the skin. And this is also going to absorb any extra product on the face. Now for her lips, I use the KIKO Milano lip liner in shade 705, and taking my most favorite collection of nude lipsticks from Jeffree Star. This one is in the shade Manequine, applying it over the lip liner. Always apply lip liner and fill the lips with the lip liner for maximum longevity of your lipsticks. Never forget to groom the eyes. I'm using the KIKO Milano brow gel in the color dark brown, and I'm just going to use an angle brush to define the eyebrows. And we are pretty much done with the bridal makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. It is not over the top, very subtle, but I think very sexy and glamorous. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Show it a big thumbs up, share, comment, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you. Ciao.